Hi, welcome to my Garage Door Repairman. We are Plano, Texas-based garage door service provider. We are going to take a tour of our office. During our office tour, we will learn more about what we do. We are a team of professionals who provide the best Plano garage door repair service. We are trusted by our customers for garage door repair services. You only need to contact our professionals since we are highly qualified to be able to work in all kinds of circumstances. If you hire us, you will get years of experience, 100% commitment, quality garage door products, experts' advice, affordable prices and much more. As a garage door service company, we are fully certified and insured. As part of our emergency garage door service, we carry springs, rollers, drums, cables, and openers in stock. From now on, my garage door repairman will handle all of your garage door service needs. We invite you to visit our website to learn more about us and what we can do for you.